Pet insurance versus accident versus illness versus routine versus lifetime versus multi-pet. Which one is better for long-term pet care? Our pets are family, and just like us, they can face unexpected health problems. But when vet bills rise into the hundreds or even thousands, having the right pet insurance can make all the difference. Most people think one policy covers everything, but the truth is, not all pet insurance is created equal. Let's break it down. Accident-only insurance is the most basic and cheapest. It covers things like injuries from car accidents, broken bones, or sudden trauma. It's great if your pet is young and healthy, but it won't help with illnesses or long-term conditions. Next is illness cover. This protects your pet against short-term sicknesses, things like infections or stomach issues. However, it often excludes pre-existing or recurring conditions. It's a step up from accident only, but not a full safety net. Routine care, sometimes called wellness cover, handles everyday expenses like vaccinations, flea treatments, and dental cleaning. It's more about prevention than emergencies, perfect for keeping your pet healthy year-round. Then comes lifetime insurance, the gold standard. It covers accidents, chronic illnesses, and recurring conditions year after year, as long as you renew. It's more expensive, but if your pet develops a lifelong issue, it's absolutely worth it. Finally, multi-pet insurance lets you insure multiple animals under one policy, often with discounts. It's convenient and saves time if you have a household full of furry friends. So, which one's best for long-term care? For true ongoing protection, lifetime insurance is the clear winner. It may cost more upfront, but it ensures your pet is covered throughout its life no matter how many vet visits or treatments come up. Your pet gives you unconditional love every day. Giving them reliable protection in return isn't just smart, it's part of being a responsible and caring owner.